Hello friends, in this video I will show how to reset network settings adapter in Windows 11. So click on start, then search here network reset. Click on network reset. Now here guys you will see this option reset now, and make sure guys this will remove and reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. And make sure you have your Wi-Fi password because it will reset. So if you are sure, click on reset now. Then click on yes. So this simple setting guys, you can reset network settings adapter in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.